Episode 3, The Power of Showing Up on Time. Welcome back to the Trident Edge podcast. My name is Mike Kilgore, Director of Sales for Trident. This podcast is here to motivate, educate, and give you the tools to grow your business in a pressure washing and paver sealing industry. In today's episode, we're talking about one of the simplest, most overlooked ways to win jobs and build trust: showing up on time. Punctuality isn't just polite. It's a sales pitch that tells customers you're reliable and professional. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to make punctuality a habit and turn it into one of your strongest business advantages. For more information on Trident products, visit tridentprotects.com or give us a call at 866-951-4293. You know the saying, time is money. In this business, time is more than money. It's trust. Think about this. If you tell a homeowner you'll be there at 10, and you pull into their driveway at 10 sharp, or even at 9:55, you've already won part of the battle. They're thinking, this guy is dependable. And that's half the reason people hire you. Now picture the flip side. You show up 15 minutes late. Even if you do a fantastic job, that little doubt lingers in the customer's mind. If he can't keep his word on the appointment, what else might he drop the ball on? That's the difference between getting referred and just being forgotten. Being on time isn't just about being polite. It's a sales pitch. It says, I respect your time. I take this seriously, and you can count on me. Customers pay attention to that. And here's the kicker. They'll often choose you, even at a higher price, over the guy who shows up late, because dependability has value. How to make it a habit. Build buffer time. If the drive takes 20 minutes, leave 30. Worst case, you're early. Best case, you're never late. Confirm ahead. A quick text the day before, just confirming we're still good for 10 a.m. tomorrow. It keeps you sharp and shows professionalism. Plan smart routes. Don't book jobs across town back to back. Group jobs by location to save time and stress. Your crew, it's your reputation. Here's the thing. It's not just about you. If you're late, your crew will think it's okay to be late. But if you show punctuality, it's non-negotiable. They'll follow your lead. And your reputation, that spreads. You'll become known as the contractor who always shows up when he says he will. That might sound small, but in this industry, it's rare. And rare is what makes you stand out. Punctuality is one of the cheapest, simplest way to separate yourself from competition. It costs you nothing, but it pays back in trust, referrals, and repeat work. Show up when you say you will, and you'll already be ahead before the work even begins. Questions to think about. Looking back on my last 10 jobs, how many times was I early, on time, or late? What changes can I make this week to make punctuality automatic? If my customers describe me in one word, would reliable be it? Here's the truth. The guy who shows up on time will beat the guy with the cheaper price almost every day. Customers don't buy the service, they buy trust. By the one they can count on, because in this business, reliability doesn't just win jobs, it builds legacies. Thanks for hanging out with me today on the Trident Edge podcast. I'm Mike Kilgore, and I appreciate you taking the time to sharpen your edge with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an episode. We're here every Monday through Friday with fresh motivation, practical tips, and strategies to grow your business. Stay sharp, stay motivated, and I'll catch you on the next one.